All right, hey, my lovely children. Hopefully, y'all had an amazing Thanksgiving break. And hopefully, I didn't get on y'all's nerves today, this Monday, because I'm assuming all of you are logging in to check this review out today, because I need y'all to doing like 2 to 3 problems a night, for real. Like I said, I'm not going to go through all of it, just the questions that we either went through very quickly, I know we struggled on based on test results, or things that I think could trip y'all up on the exam. So please follow along. And again, I would really prefer that y'all look at this after you've tried yourself. So if you have not tried a problem that I'm about to do yourself, try it first and then compare to see what you did wrong. And then if you want to bring that to me on a tutoring day or just sometime during the day at a reasonable time, come talk to me about how you can avoid making that same mistake again. So number 1 seems simple. However, we confuse the vertical and the horizontal line a lot. So the line they gave us, that's our vertical line. And then let's say we have, what in the world? Oops. Let's say we have a horizontal line. We're going to find the equation to both lines and determine what that slope is. So for my vertical line, that's in black. Remember, vertical is straight up and down. And the way I want you to remember the slope is always going to be undefined. Ooh, this writing is terrible. Forgive me. Because if you think about it, our blue horizontal line right here, that's our starting ground. That's what we walk on. We walk on a horizontal surface. The higher that line gets, so let's say now we're walking up hills, right? Now our slope's getting steeper. And it's eventually going to get to a point, that vertical line, can you walk up a wall? No, you are not Spider-Man. So think about it that way. Vertical, undefined. Horizontal is always going to be a 0 slope. For your 0 slope, 0 slope looks like this, right? So y equals 0x. Anything times x is what? 0. So it's really just y equals whatever the y-intercept is. For this line that I drew, the slope is approximately -2. So we're going to put that. There's our equation. For our undefined line, we don't have a y-intercept, okay? And I already told you, slope is undefined. If we don't have a y-intercept, we can't put y equals, because y equals is saying somewhere in our line, it is crossing through the y-axis. This one, however, is not. So we're going to put x equals. And where does our line cross the x-axis? -5. So our equation is x equals -5. All right, 1 question down, 6 to go. Just kidding, not doing all these. Our next one is a quick one that I'm going to put in this video. It says the graph of a linear function S is shown. Answer the following questions about it. Does the graph represent direct variation? Direct variation, guys, is just another way of saying proportional. And what does proportional mean? Straight line that goes through. Hello, I'm trying to draw the origin. Okay, that goes through the origin. Boom. Is that a straight line that goes through the origin? Yes, so it is proportional. It says, if so, what is the constant of variation? Constant of variation is another way of saying slope. Slope is our rise over our run. And in this case, if we pick 2 good points on this line, our rise is 1 and our run is 2. So 1/2 is our constant of variation. Sorry about my dog. Next, it's saying ACE, S of -4. S of -4 means that we're going to where, remember what's inside, that's your input. Input is x. So we're looking for where x is 10 and where x is -4. When x is -4, Let's zoom in again. When x is negative 4, we're going to go down to our line. Our y value is negative 2. So this one is going to be negative 2. And then when x is 10, I think I'm moving stuff on here. Sorry, y'all. When x is 10, we go to x. Where's 10? And then we go up. Our y value is going to be 5. All right, there's questions 1 and 2 for you.